October 30, 2017, last updated 11:12 AM ET Montreal. Strong winds and heavy rain are causing havoc with Quebec's power grid, with more than 210,000 customers without power today. Hydro-Quebec says the intense depression coming from New England has hit several areas of the province, as winds of 90 km/h cause branches and trees to knock down power lines. The utility says some 300 linemen are working to fix problems in every part of the province, the hardest hit being the Montérégie region south of Montreal. The same weather system is expected to reach parts of Atlantic Canada later today. Environment Canada says the low-pressure system over New England will continue to strengthen as it moves north. The maritime provinces can expect wind gusts reaching 90 km/h before the system moves into western Newfoundland, where winds up to 150 km/h are expected later this evening. The National Weather Forecaster says up to 30 millimeters of rain could fall across the Maritimes, and rough surf is also expected. Thousands of people in the United States were without power early Monday as the storm blew through the Northeast.